Today we're at the 47th annual L10 conference. It's a 5-day event where we are doing all of the technology, all the AV inside the general session. So pretty much if it plugs into an outlet, we're managing it and making the process as smooth as possible.
The Endless team on site has been really a yes we can team, which has been very, very valued. We are a very small team. We have 6 people on our team, and we're putting on a show here for 1,000 people.
The one time a year that we get to showcase who we are as an organization.
This is our first year working with Endless, but they had a great team and everyone talked together. Everyone was accountable. You know, if I would forget to share something with someone, they would all kind of make sure that they were included in the messaging and follow up.
A big thing at Endless is our culture and our people. Not a lot of people know this, but all the guys on the team are in-house, only work for Endless. And the reason why that's important to us is we want a team of people who all match the culture and can give the same level of experience, whether you're getting the stagehand to the engineer to the technical director or me. No matter what you have, it's a consistent experience all the way around.
The design on the stage is really reflective of the themes of the conference, with the circuitry panels running left and right of the ultra-wide screen in the middle, and then the additional panels underneath the outside screens to the left and right kind of give the almost canyon sort of feeling, because we are in Arizona. So we wanted to find some way that really showcases both, especially since Arizona is also a hub of a lot of growing technology.
So we've got these bright, big, beautiful, bold colors and highly textured backgrounds. And it's awesome because I get to do so much color saturation, and I've got blues and pinks and yellows, and it's just, they gave me this palette of a sunset in the desert and said, have fun.
I'm really proud that Endless, has the type of team that you can go to the audio guy and communicate to him, hey, I need something fixed on my slides, and he's not gonna tell you, oh, go to the video guy. He will make that change, he'll make that note down, and our whole team is very communicative with each other so that the client never feels like, oh, I'm talking to the wrong guy.
I've asked around, people have unsolicited come up to me and say, man, this is the best conference I've ever been to. It's just been an amazing experience. Thank you so much for putting this on. I said, look, I'm just one person. It takes a village to do something like this, including your production partner.
I would be happy to recommend Endless. I'd give them good recommendation. Again, very pleasant and very much a I can do attitude.